Everyone. Today in your packet, I know I called it week 5, my mistake, it's week 6, but it's day 2 where you're doing volume of rectangular prisms, but you have some decimal measurements that you'll need to multiply. So let's go take a look. And here's your work for today. You're going to be solving for the volume of this prism. It's figure A. And remember, to find volume, you got to multiply length times width times height. So let me see here. We're going to have a length of 8 from left to right. So we have 8 times a width, which is back to front or front to back, which is 2 1/10, multiplied by a height of 1 1/10. Now you have to remember from your work last week that you are going to multiply and ignore the decimal. So 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. And then you have to remember you've got 1 digit behind a decimal, so you would need 1 digit behind a decimal in your answer. So your first product would be 16 8/10. So now you got to take 16 8/10 and multiply that by your 1 8/10. So 8 times 8, 64. Carry your 6. 8 times 6 is 48, plus 6 would be 54. Regroup your 5. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 5 is 13. Remember, you do not put any decimals in yet. So now the 8 is done, and we got to multiply by 1. We start with our 0 placeholder. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. And then we add these together. So you get 4, 12, regroup your 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 6 is 10. And then regroup that one. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So now this time you have to look back. You have 2 digits behind a decimal. So you would need 2 digits behind a decimal in your answer. So your volume is 30 24 yards cubed. So now that your work is done, you would need to go enter your answers onto my web page. So I'm going to give you a little show on how to do that. And let's go take a look. So you would start off at my school web page. You're going to click on that week 5, because I called it wrong and I know it's week 6. But then you slide down and you find week 2 or week 5 assignment number 2. Click on that and it will take you to this page. Start by typing in your answer or your name first and last. And then here you're going to put in your answer for figure A, but it says in the directions, I just want the answer, no label, no exponents. So you would type in that 30.28 or whatever our answer was. You can't see it now. Type it in there, just the number, remember the decimal, and then you would do the same thing for B down here, and then just hit submit and I'll get your answers. No measurement units, so no yards, no inches, no feet, no exponent. Just put in the numbers with the decimal and you should be all set. So good luck today. Work hard, make me proud, And I'll be back tomorrow with another lesson about multiplying to find volume with fractions, which again we have done. So it should be a little review. So that's all for today. Be well. Email me if you have questions. Miss you all. Take care, and don't forget to go out there and shake that booty since it's International Dance Day.